We talked about probation, we talked about the
You have
different
no
choices they have.
convictions. You have no as far as I see, no convictions. Now, after today, you're going to end up with a conviction on your record. From now on, you're looking at 90 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up, you know?
Yeah, the choice is, you can get the defer, you can get the probation that we talked about, but you decided to do the time.
When you plead guilty to something, it goes on your record and it stays there for the rest of your life. You can never take it off. And it will affect you when you try to get a job, you try to buy a house, try to get a car, a loan for something, try to get an apartment. So that's what I'm saying. I mean, you're old enough to know that.
I was lost when you was like 90 days at the.
No,
I was
that's
lost because
No, what I'm saying, you pick up anything else in the future from now on, it's a minimum of 90 days if you take this deal, because they can enhance your punishment to a minimum of 90 days in the future.
you're not getting that as a time served deal. The judge
I'm
just
served
want-
here, but what I'm saying is, you don't want to defer to try to keep it off? You just,
sir, sir, if you look at the computer, I've been to TDCJ before. It don't matter. It don't matter.
That's,
I'm just gonna
That's
be
not
honest
necessary.
with you. It don't
I
matter.
don't see, I only get access to Harris County because I can't get them to give me access to anything else anyway.
I
So,
understand, but I can tell you, and I
Okay.
have my time, I done did my lesson. So if time served, I don't have to go to jail. I don't have to look over my shoulder. That's fine with me. I walk a straight line. That just was a unfortunate happen with my property.
you're charged with resisting arrest. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement where they're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 2 days that you've done. Like I said, this is going to go on your record. It'll be there for the rest of your life. You're giving up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you plead guilty, that's it.
I understand.
This is what you want to do.
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to the officer?
I plead guilty.
I'm going to find you guilty. I'll follow it. Good luck to you, Mr. Pack.
Thank you.
give me
Take
1
care.
second, get you this piece of paper, go downstairs so you don't have to make more copies.
All right.
I'll be with you in a second.
Hi. Yes,